Every way artificial intelligence could replace humans, explained. Artificial intelligence is advancing faster than most humans realize. Every year, AI systems become smarter, faster, more autonomous, and more deeply integrated into modern civilization. Some scientists believe AI could eventually transform nearly every aspect of human life. Others warn humanity may not be fully prepared for what comes next. Today, we're exploring some of the ways artificial intelligence could eventually replace human roles, industries, and systems across civilization. One major area already being transformed is employment. AI systems can now perform tasks involving writing, design, coding, analysis, customer support, translation, and automation. As AI capabilities improve, some experts worry millions of jobs could eventually disappear or radically change. Another major concern is autonomous robotics. Factories increasingly use machines capable of operating with minimal human supervision. Future robotic systems may eventually perform construction, transportation, logistics, military operations, healthcare, support, and dangerous industrial work. Another disturbing possibility involves surveillance. AI systems can already analyze faces, voices, online behavior, location data, purchases, and digital activity. Some governments and corporations now possess unprecedented abilities to monitor human behavior at massive scale. Another rapidly growing field is AI-generated media. Artificial intelligence can now create realistic voices, synthetic videos, digital humans, fake images, and automated content. As this technology advances, distinguishing reality from artificial simulation may become increasingly difficult. Another major concern is decision-making. Some institutions already use AI systems for financial analysis, hiring, security, law enforcement, healthcare recommendations, and military systems. Critics worry humans may gradually surrender too much authority to algorithms that remain poorly understood. Another disturbing possibility is dependency. Modern civilization already relies heavily on software, automation, digital infrastructure, and AI-assisted systems. As technology becomes more advanced, humans may become increasingly dependent on systems they cannot fully control or repair themselves. Another frightening area is military AI. Autonomous weapons and AI-assisted warfare technologies are rapidly evolving around the world. Some experts fear future conflicts could involve machines making life-and-death decisions with limited human oversight. Another hidden risk involves misinformation. AI-generated propaganda, deepfakes, and automated influence systems could dramatically affect politics, elections, public opinion, and social stability. Another fascinating reality is that AI does not think like humans. Artificial intelligence processes enormous amounts of data rapidly, but it does not possess human emotion, empathy, morality, or biological instinct. This creates major uncertainty regarding how future advanced AI systems may behave. Another important reality is that AI also offers enormous benefits. Artificial intelligence may help humanity solve diseases, improve medicine, accelerate scientific discovery, reduce dangerous labor, and increase productivity. The future of AI may ultimately depend on how humans choose to develop and control these systems. Another unsettling truth is that humanity may already be entering one of the largest technological transitions in human history. The rise of artificial intelligence could reshape civilization as dramatically as the Industrial Revolution, electricity, or the Internet itself. The truth is that AI is no longer science fiction. It is already transforming the modern world, and humanity still does not fully understand where this technological revolution may ultimately lead. If you enjoyed this video, Subscribe for more difficult topics simply explained. And comment whether you think AI will ultimately help or harm humanity.